Now that I am in the shade, I can tell you a little bit about Khandepar. River Khandepar ends over here, and this is the last point where you can navigate from river Mandovi up to here. After this is the famous Oppa waterworks. They say, which I do not want to say for 100% sure, but they say that the name Oppa came because of the Portuguese and them putting up the waterworks over here. It was called as Obras Public de Agua, OPA, Oppa. Possibly sounds very plausible, but I cannot tell you for sure that it did come over here. But the name Khandepar has got different theories. The two Gobre brothers, Suresh and Ganpat, who are the local heritage presenters over here, through one of the articles, I have read that they say that Khand and Par, Khand are dry patches in the river and Par is to cross. That at one time there were 20 patches that used to take, arise in this water from where people used to cross on the other side. This is one. 1973, Anant Dhume, one of Goa's most prolific historian, he says that this particular name came from Kudanpur. This is what he says, or riverbed. In the year 2018, in his book Gomantakachi Matrabhas, Mr. Pandurang Nagwekar says that this particular name came from Khategram or Khatgram, which possibly turned to Khandepar. But whatever be the name, this village is amazingly historic and so peaceful that even the cashew trees have suddenly thought of blooming out in full steam.